morning, everyone. Joe, JLF Ranches and Outdoors. This morning we're going to show y'all how to change out a high pressure fuel pump on a John Deere 6090 is the model of the engine. This is on a genset that they use for doing pumping water and whatnot. But anyways, we're going to show y'all how to change out this specific item right here. It's the high pressure fuel pump. I've already kind of started on it. Got the belt and the tensioner out of the way. The tensioner goes right here. Take that cover off to access the gear. Other than that, disconnect your lines and your wiring. Move your ECM out of the way. It just bolts up right in this place. And then from there, you're ready to time it and pull the pump out. We'll show you all how to time it and everything and go from there. All right, just to get you a better look of what this thing looks like. See where the yellow paint pen mark is. You can kind of see how that gear's got a notch taken out of it. So anyways, that gear, that notch, when it lines up through that hole, in the center of that hole, you're timed. All right, to get the drive gear off, once you get the cover off and everything, get you a little 2-jaw gear puller, get it in there and put some tension on it, and a little tap and it should pop right off. I don't know why, but per the parts manual, this gear and this gear do not interchange. So the pump that got ordered, it calls for an updated gear. I don't see much of a difference. Got those three tightened up and whatnot. Before we put this cover on, drive nut torque is 70 foot-pounds. We'll get that torqued. And then I like to do a bar over on it, at least a couple revolutions, make sure everything's good. Takes a matter of a minute or two, so it's not like it takes a lot of time to do it, but starts. Sweet. There you go. That's how you change out the high pressure fuel pump on a John Deere 6090 engine. We're going to go ahead and get a pressure washer over here and clean this up and whatnot, and put the fan guard and whatnot back on. The belt they sent me is the wrong one, so we got to try to find the correct belt now. But anyways, we'll get it all taken care of and whatnot, and then send it back to the customer. Y'all have a nice day. If y'all have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. I'll answer best I can. And we'll see y'all on the next one.